Hi, I'm going to show you how to have fun with these texture rollers. What I'm going to show you is how to double texture. And when you double texture with these, they open up a world of new possibilities for you. It's a really fun way of varying what you've got so that you haven't just got the one texture, you can combine with other textures that you've got. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to oil it, and I'm using a brush because I want to get down into all the grooves, and I've just got a little bit of oil on my brush and I'm just going in and oiling all over. And I've also got here a laser cut card texture, so this is what I'm going to use for my second texture. I'm going to roll out at 2mm to start with, 8 cards thick. So I've got my spacers, just going to roll out a little bit. I'm just going to roll long ways, that's fine. There we go. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my texture and lay my clay onto my texture, and I'm going to roll again. And this is going to put this fine texture all over the clay. So I'm going to go from my 2mm down to 1.5mm, 6 cards thick this time. Again, one nice firm roll right across. Make sure your spacers are on top of your texture, and then peel your clay off. Ooh, let's just see what I'm doing. And I've got a lovely texture on it. So hopefully you can see there's a nice bit of texture. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down again, and I'm going to go down this time to 0.75mm, and that is 3 cards. I'm going to take my little roller and I'm going to go over this already textured bit of clay. You need to make sure that your roller is on top of your spacers like this. And this time I'm going to take a snake roller and use the snake roller for rolling across. So I go on the top of my roller and I roll right across my clay. There we go, and off the other end. There we are. And now what I've got is I've got a lovely bit of clay. It's got this laser cut card texture on every raised surface, and the raised surfaces are all from the roller. So you've made your own completely unique combination.